What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Paulie D here. Yeah, time to light one up. This is the Romeo and Juliet 1875 Reserve. I like this one. Actually, it was really good the first time I smoked. This will be about, I think, my second or third time smoking this one. But I like it. Anyway, guys, wanted to just do a quick video with you guys for this week and everything. It's been scorching hot this week. Literally today it was, I believe, like the heat index said it was about 105, maybe 110 degrees. So it was scorching hot. And it actually is warm right now as the sun is going down. So I'm not going to be making this video a very long one, maybe about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes the most and everything. Because I'm supposed to be jumping on my weekly Zoom training and everything for my consultant training that I'm doing with my lenders and everything. So anyway, yeah, I wanted to talk about, my progress this week and everything. I'm gonna be finishing up my client that's applying for the unsecured personal funding because like I haven't heard from him in about a week now. But there is a legit reason why I haven't heard from him, is because I was waiting for my business phone to arrive and everything, and it arrived yesterday and everything. I got everything all set up and everything. So I've got now a company phone, and then a company toll-free number, and an e-fax number, and an extension and everything. And also it comes with a virtual receptionist too. So you're calling the toll-free number, you hit the extension to get a hold of me, to my extension and everything. I'm gonna have all that in the description below and everything. So you guys, if you're looking for funding, consulting, or just basically consulting, also coaching and all that and everything, and then financing and everything, corporate business credit and whatnot and everything. These are the stuff that I have the resources for you and everything to do that. Let me go ahead and light this baby up. Yeah, I'm gonna toast it first. So yeah, let me do that real quick. Yeah, nice and toasty. Anyway, guys, wow, very good toast, very delicious. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's scorching hot right now. And I don't know why you're probably thinking, like, why the hell is Paulie smoking a cigar when it's like, still in the 90-degree Florida weather? I didn't know anyway. But like I was telling, saying, I was like, yeah, it's good. It's actually cooler. I mean, it's not cooler, but it's a little bit more mild out right now to be doing a video instead of doing when it's about like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is just scorching hot out here and everything. So I suggest you guys, drink lots of water, drink lots of fluid and everything. Drink a lot of fluid, water, vitamin water and everything. Try to avoid soda as much as you can. Yeah, I really like this one. I'm gonna have to actually have another shipment coming in a couple of days and everything, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, guys, yeah, so the transaction that I'm working on right now and everything, I wanted to say something about this. When I was supposed to do a video on Monday, well, actually I was trying to do it on Saturday of last week. I lost track of it. Anyway, I had a guy reach out to me on Alignable, and he reached out that he was getting the paperwork all ready for a new housing development project, and they were looking for, I believe they said that it was going to be about 2.9 million for a set of houses and everything. But the total project, though, I was actually blown away, was going to be about anywhere between 20 million to 50 million for this development project and everything. So I told him, yeah, let's have a conversation about that and find out, what we can do to get the project going and all that and everything and stuff. So And then he told me that he's got like about a few other projects. So all combined together and everything is what they're doing for is going to be about a total of $250 million for the entire project and everything. So he's wanting to speak with the CEO of my commercial lending company and everything, and so I'm getting that meeting arranged and everything. That he'll have to pick a time with the guy that I'm talking about is going to be consulting. Going to be picking a time to speak with him. It might not be this week, but it could be. I don't know. So I'm going to get on the phone tomorrow with the CEO of my lending company, and so that way he can reach out to the guy that reached out to me for funding for the housing development projects and everything that he's got. So apparently this guy that I talked to for about an hour on the phone, it's pretty interesting. He sounds like he's old as my dad and everything, which is another story. But he was basically saying that he's been doing, like deals and everything and projects, since like well before the internet phase in the 90s and 2000s and everything. And he was like telling me that he still uses an AOL email account. And I was like, wow, an AOL email account? And I was just like, I haven't used that one in like well over 20 years and everything. I'd say probably about 25 plus years is the last time I used an AOL email account. So I was just like, wow. And he still has like contacts that he still has, former clients that, come to him looking to do deals and everything. And I'm like, hey, that's what it's all about. If you get clients that are reoccurring clients and everything, then that's for the long-term thinking, of entrepreneurship and business deals and transactions. So yeah, anyway guys, so I still have unfinished business to do and everything, and I need to, it's still considered the beginning of August and everything. So it's time to get these deals done and everything, because one of my clients that I have under contract, she's closing on her deal on her transaction on the 23rd of this month and everything. And it's for an old commercial building that got basically got renovated and everything, and it has like 2 apartment units on top and everything. So which is going to be a good payout and everything. I'm excited about that. So that's going to also be my other client that's applying for the unsecured personal funding. I forgot to actually go into detail about him and everything. Is that he needs the fund the unsecured personal funding to purchase the corporate business credit through me as well and everything. And then he wants to also apply for a warehouse financing, a commercial warehouse financing for his internet startup business and everything. So yeah, it's time to actually, get these deals done and everything, and go into the fourth quarter of 2023, just able to relax, and then maybe take on additional transactions and whatnot and everything, because because I don't want to be bouncing back and forth and everything, circling back. There's a lot of cars driving by with loudspeakers and a lot of, I guess, Hispanic hip-hop music, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it is. But yeah, anyway, I said, I've got Dr. Loneri, got Brandon, got that Brunswick one, a commercial property, then I've got that one in there, and then I've got, so I technically got about like 5 to 6 transactions that I need to get done and completed before I take on any additional projects and clients and everything. Because I mean, literally these are like deals that pretty much they're gonna be putting me into the $1 million winning you know, making my new holding company, you know, into the $1 million mark and everything, and revenue and everything for a brand new holding company corporation. But anyway, guys, it's been 10 minutes talking to you guys and everything. I'm gonna get this uploaded and everything to the channel and everything. I want to thank everybody for that subscribe on the video and everything, on the other videos that I've been doing and everything. I appreciate the support and everything. Make sure you guys hit the like button, please do, so it helps out the algorithm and everything, the YouTube algorithms and everything. Subscribe if you have and everything, and hit the bell notification, so that way you guys know when I've got new videos. Because literally, guys, you know, I'm excited about monetizing this channel and growing it, and you guys actually seeing, you know, the results and everything, you know, of the progress and everything. I love you guys, and contact me if you guys need anything at all. I'm gonna have everything in the description of the video and everything. I'll see you guys in a few days and everything. And like I said, guys, follow us on all of our socials and everything, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later.